Yo, what's good guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Elmer Simmons and today we're going to be vlogging the process of building an off-road Miata. I've seen a couple of these online, but I never came across one myself. So I was grateful enough to come across the opportunity to pick one up that was already lifted with tires and everything. So I decided it was a good chance to, get into the vlogging. So I'm pretty new to this myself, so this is my first actual vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna start it off with a clip of how the Miata sat the next day after I got it. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is the Miata the day after I got it. I haven't touched it or anything. I was just driving around, make sure everything was good. So as you can see, the paint is pretty faded. Front tires are pretty worn, and it's really dirty inside and out. And as you can see right here, this wing is also broken. So just keep an eye out for these little things throughout the vlog. We're gonna start it off with me doing the oil change, so let's get it. Right now we're test fitting the over fenders. This is my first time putting these on, so like I said before, not a professional. Got Cisco over here, always getting a shot. But yeah, it should look way better with the over fenders too. I might ask the homie to help me on this one since he offered and I don't really have too much experience in this. Hey, you gotta send me that YouTube video from that show yesterday.
Oh yeah.
That show's funny.
The Sanford and Son? Like, see where you want to put this. Right here.
These are fucking meaty, huh?
The fenders?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Nice.
Oh, the chuletas.
Chuletas?
Yeah.
Barbecue or what?
Red sauce.
Oh shit.
And like chuletas enchiladas.
Yeah.
We finally got the over fenders done with. One issue I was having with these is finding a bolt. The bolts that came with it originally were horrible. They weren't gripping onto the metal. They weren't coming in. So we got this different type of bolts, and originally, dude, I had gotten these in silver, and man, they were standing out like crazy. For the life of me, I could not find black bolts nowhere. Home Depot, Ace, nothing, man. So I went to the homie's electrical shop to get my the window motor fixed. I mean the window switch. Ordered it off eBay because that window wasn't going down. So he was like, "Hey man, I got these black bolts. You want them?" And I was like, "Hell yeah!" Slapped them on it, man. It makes all the difference. Yo, what's up, guys? Just wanted to show you guys this roll bar I just got for the Miata. Picked it up a few days ago. Pretty good condition. No crazy dents or any cracks or anything. And right now it's white. I'm gonna sand it down in a bit and try to turn it black. Well, I'm gonna turn it black into black. But yeah, it's a hard dog roll bar, M1, something like that. I'll put the specifics in the description, but really excited to see this thing get on the Miata. Alright, y'all, we just finished sanding this thing down. Came out pretty decent. Spent like about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours on this. Again, not the most professional job, but just something to make it look presentable. I made sure to smooth everything out, make sure everything was the same texture. The only thing that I do gotta finish up tomorrow are probably these plates down here. I didn't really get to sand those today, but it shouldn't take me too long when I get down to it. But overall, looks like it's gonna come out pretty good. It's getting pretty cold and windy outside, and it's about to get dark in a couple minutes, so I'm gonna have to wrap it up for today, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace. All right, y'all, final result came out really cool. Nice black finish with some clear coat over it. It came out better than expected, I guess. Some spots did come out, you know, a little amateur, I guess some might say. Nothing too bad though. Did get like a few like 1 or 2 drips. Probably gonna sand it down or something. But besides that, came out really nice. Not bad for a couple of quote-unquote amateurs. Shout out to the homie for helping me on this. Really stoked on putting it on the car, and he should be coming in probably a couple minutes, and we're gonna try to install this thing. Power drill? You walked up. Oh. That's better. You didn't leave it in the truck? I don't know.
Yeah, I did.
Did it cut? What about with pliers, like with pliers and shit?
That was just bended.
Yeah? Because we could just indent them inwards, huh?
I was just thinking of
Alright, so we finally got the roll bar installed. Thanks to the homie Andy right here. Make sure y'all follow him on IG. That came out pretty dope. It's pretty stable and shit. Took us about like 3 hours, for?
Yeah, I did about 3 hours, a lot of chopping and cutting shit.
Yeah. Sponsored by D-Walt.
Fuck no.
Yeah. This fool reps D-Walt.
Oh hell no, no D-Walt.
Yeah. Should be closer and ready for Pismo Beach. So let's get it. Alright, so we're at the homie's tire shop. About to get this one installed real quick. My boy working. Yeah, it should come out pretty dope. Rear tires are good to go. Now we should get the front ones good to go. Oh yeah, here's the one that we got installed, the other one. Should come out pretty dope. Not bad for 55 balance and all that. Alright, so now that the tire's off, pretty good time to check out the suspension and brakes. So I found out this is some Bilstein suspension. Checked out the brake pads. Pretty cool. Not too worn or anything. Still got a lot of life to them. Rotors look alright. I don't see anything damaged with the other parts of suspension. I know it has extended ball joints. So after I get all these tires put on, take it to alignment, that should be the final step for that.
At least 12 of them were 24s.
Damn.
Full, and I was the one doing them all alone and everything. I'm not tripping, but yeah, it sucks. Look, it's like that fool.
That fool was crazy?
He wasn't crazy. He was too. Supposedly that one of his friends went inside and that fool came out screaming and that fool never was like normal again.
Wait, so you guys are from Peru?
My dad's Peruvian.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Check in the water real quick.
For sure. All right, guys. So we're done messing around at Pismo Beach already. Getting ready to head to the body shop and leave the car to get a full respray. It's just gonna be the original red again. As you can see, the hood is pretty faded from the front. So before I took it to the body shop, I just made sure to put some Bondo on the holes we made for the over fenders. You know, when I had to make them higher on the way to Pismo Beach. And I also was able to fix the wing, so I'm about to show you guys that in a bit. So here's the wing, guys. Check it out. I don't know if I recorded it before. I think I did. There was a big hole right here. I did take it to a couple spots and did ask a couple of friends see if it was able to be repaired. They told me no. So I just asked the other homie, and he said, "Let's Mickey Mouse it." So we grabbed the repair kit from AutoZone. You know, that comes with the fiberglass repair kit. It comes with like a little cloth you put under here, and then with like some honey type of thing, and it worked really well. You know, it's not brittle. It's not gonna break again. You know, so saved $100 there. Yo, what's good, guys? So you guys can see, we got the Miata painted. Came out really dope. Right now we're in Malibu. Gonna get some final pictures of it. And if you made it this far to the vlog, you know, thank you for tapping in. This is pretty much gonna final it up for the prepping of the Miata. After this vlog, I'm gonna finish up the Pismo Beach Day vlog, and then I gotta do the promo day vlog, which is what we're doing today. So let's get the zoom in and get this going. Alright guys, so that's pretty much sums up the vlog. Thank you for tapping in. You know, this was the process from start to beginning. So I hope you guys, you know, enjoyed it at least. So yeah, just goes to show, you know, I'm not a professional. My friends aren't professionals, and we just do what we can, you know. So if we could do it, then you could do it too, you know. So don't be afraid to get out there and try something new. And yeah, you know, this might be my last couple of days with the Miata. I'm gonna have to sell it soon. So you know, keep an eye out for that. You can do that by following me on Gram at Cali Car Plug. And yeah, thank you for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe. You know, leave a comment too. You know, let me know, did you like it? Did you not like it? You want to see more of this? Let me know what you guys want to see. I'll do it. Peace.